Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so you're looking at Standard of Excellence and Book 2. And my first video using this baritone, which I just came across. Fixed up the valves, got the slides working and moving nicely. Although I did buy a new mouthpiece. And this is page 1, well, like number 1, band arrangement of Standard of Excellence, Book 2. I really did get used to the nice 4-valve that I played on in college, but I'll take this 3-valver for a few reasons. Number one, that 4-valver was probably about 2 to 3K more than this. And I wouldn't say not do the actual math because this was actually free to me. But it plays nicely. Plays pretty well in tune. It's going to be the lower pitches I really need to double check the tuning on. We go with number 2, B flat scale. Nice. Now, when you get to 6, when you're working through your arpeggio from 6 into 7, you're doing a 1 chord, 1, 3, 5, 8, or 1 in your octave. And then you have your 5, 7 chord, which is built on your F, which would be a F chord, an F7. So F, A, C to the high E flat. In this case, it's inverted. But no, that measure 7 is an F7 chord or a dominant 7th chord. And let's move on to number 3 here. Number 3. The thing to watch out for this one is your timing. It's really easy to get to that high B flat near the middle of the first line and then hold and not keep your timing as steady as you normally would. So now we're counting to 3. B's and E's are flat. 1, 2, 3, 1. Right, I'm going to do that one again because my air quality was not where I wanted it to be. Right, I'm going to do that one again that third version better. Smoothly flowing, and now you're looking okay. Software's being a pain. Not like that's ever happened to anyone else. I'm sure I'm the only one who's ever had a software issue. It's getting somewhat crazy though. Oh, the timpani part. Yes, yes, that's definitely what I want. Ah, baritone bass clef. How hard was that? All right, so probably. All right, so here we go. Molly Malone, number 7. The key is different. The B's are flat. The E's are flat. We've had a lot of those. Now the A's are flat. B's, E's, and A's are flat. So we're in the key of E flat here. Right. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.